This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Brandy Holdeman. Available January as a sublet till July 2025 with the possibility of renewal. New vinyl plank flooring installed last year, photos have not been updated. Very nice split-level home located close to the campus and the YMCA. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, gas fireplace, Anderson windows, custom cabinetry, private fenced backyard, and more. Great neighborhood and move-in condition. Templeton, Jackson Creek, and South Schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Brandy Holdeman at 812-323-1231.